Hello, I'm Yoshinori Osumi from Tokyo Institute of Technology. Welcome to the Autophagy MOOC. My research story begins with what was an overlooked organelle, the vacuole, before my interest moved toward autophagy and intracellular degradation. About 30 years ago, I used a simple light microscope to observe these cells under starvation, discovering the delivery of own components to the vacuole before they are degraded. I realized that this phenomenon depends on the same mechanism as autophagy. It was already known in mammalian cells, but it was poorly understood. Using this approach, we were able to identify many of the genes responsible for autophagy in yeast. The identification of these genes allowed autophagy research in mammalian cells to rapidly progress, which was until then held back by lack of mechanistic understandings. Now, autophagy is a major area of research in the biological sciences. Many researchers around the world are assessing autophagy in a range of organisms, uncovering mechanistic details which are discovering more and more laws of autophagy. Research is now aimed at developing new treatment for disease such as cancer and neurodegeneration, in which autophagy is known to play a role. My decision to investigate autophagy was driven out of the intellectual curiosity and the desire to understand the meaning of degradation in cells. I never planned to or anticipate that my research would eventually be linked to our understanding and treatment of diseases in humans. I think that my work is an excellent example of the importance of basic research in science. Life depends on the delicate balance between synthesis and degradation, and it follows that the regulation of degradation is controlled by as many genes for synthesis. As one of the most fundamental processes in the cell, many more functions of autophagy remain to be uncovered. In this course, two of my colleagues, Associate Professor Hitoshi Nakatogawa and Alex May, will guide you through the basics of the autophagy. I hope you enjoy the course and learning about autophagy.